Hi folks, Monday, terrible Monday by the way. Sorry I haven't been about, I've not been keeping very well for last Tuesday. This is me just back out doing videos, tummy bother, but never, I'm thinking back to normal now. Anyway, so that's the reason for no videos, so see the last time I have to make up these all folks. You are going to have said heaps this week. Anyway, this is outside toilet, this is a fly tipping video, because obviously I've not been doing any fencing over the last week. Right, this lovely, two different sizes this by the way. That's a two-seater, that's a two-seater, but they're different sizes. But, this is outside Coylton, just, Furnham's just down the road there, and Ayre's along there, right? So somebody's come out along here, and I reckon this is stolen out somebody's house in Coylton. Maybe no, somewhere else. So do you recognise this? Let's get this it's easy to say a three-piece suite. You try and say a two-seater suite. It's quite hard, isn't it? A two-seater suite there. Anyway, look, there we have it, right? I would actually sat down in it, but see if I sat down in it, I'd go away at the bar, you see? So I can't even do that, but I've done it. Anyway, so there we go, this is it. You recognise this. Let's get this back home to where it belongs. Somebody will have nowhere to sit in their house because of this lovely suite. They've dumped it up here in the middle of nowhere, thinking that nobody will notice it. But all my followers have noticed it and they get in contact with me. So let's return this to its rightful owner, wherever they may be. So we've 24 hours to get you home, sweetie, wee sweetie, the two-seater. And by the way, I'll be doing videos later on today in a tutorial how to do a round top picket. I'm back, I'm fighting fit, I think. The healthy WSH is back fighting fit and we're all ready to go. So see you all later and get us home.